Matilda, can you get me some coffee? Please?
Sure.
Action!
Take
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, da, 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 da. Hi, my name is Marie and I work as program manager here at Technigo, and with me I have
Matilda Bruneman, and I work as a code coach also here at Technigo, and we are very happy you found this workshop and very happy that you are joining us today.
If you are new to the Technigo community, we can shortly say that we at Technigo offer bootcamp education and workshops just like this. If you are more interested in our educations, you can check it out on our website. But enough about us. Let us talk a little bit more about this fantastic workshop that you are attending.
Yes, so we have created this workshop with the hope of encouraging more people to start coding. And the programming languages we are going to learn are HTML and CSS. So in this workshop, you can expect quizzes and mini tasks along with videos presented to you in a creative and fun way. And if you like this workshop, you are more than welcome to share it with your friends and community. So this is the perfect opportunity for you to learn more about the world of coding by yourself or maybe with a family member or a friend.
So, whom is this workshop for? Well, of course, this workshop is for everyone, and it's also presented to you on a beginner's level. You only need a computer to join. So maybe you are interested in coding and just want to know if this is something for you, or maybe you have some coding skills in your backpack and want to fresh your memory up. Maybe you coded like a lot of years ago. Or maybe you have great coding skills and experience and want to learn more about how you can present code in an easy and fun way to people around you. Whoever you are so welcome. Okay, so that is basically all you need to know right now. So let's get to it. See you in the workshop. Good luck!